Are you aware that on average, 55% of active investors rely on market analyses from experts before making their moves? It's true, and one name stands out in this realm: Jim Cramer. Today, we're diving deep into Jim Cramer's market analysis for 2024, highlighting the top stocks you should be watching. So, let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest insights and analyses. Now let's uncover the opportunities that 2024 holds for us, according to Jim Cramer. Market overview. Let's dive into the market overview for 2024, focusing on three critical points: current market sentiment, the importance of having cash ready, and how market themes can guide us. First up, market sentiment. Every year, experts from big companies guess which stock themes will be hot. But here's the thing. Often they just look at which stocks are already doing well and say, these will keep going up. It's a bit like saying the winning horse at the start of the race will win just because it's ahead right now. We're a bit skeptical of this method because it's not always based on solid facts. Next, let's talk about having cash on the sidelines. Imagine you're at a store, and suddenly everything goes on sale, but you've spent all your money. You'd miss out, right? It's the same with stocks. When prices drop, that's your chance to buy more for less. But if you don't have any cash saved, you can't take advantage of these sales. That's why it's smart to keep some money ready just in case. Lastly, there's the role of market themes. Think of market themes like a map in a video game. They help you navigate through the ups and downs of the stock market. Instead of getting lost or scared by sudden changes, you can use these themes to stay on track. It's about having a strategy, knowing what to buy when everyone else is selling in a panic. Market trends in 2024. Market trends in 2024 are shaping up to be both exciting and challenging. This year, we're seeing big changes across different areas, like new tech popping up, how we use energy shifting, and the way people buy things changing too. These changes aren't just interesting to talk about, they play a big role in deciding which stocks go up or down. First off, tech advancements are everywhere. From smarter phones and gadgets to new ways of using the internet, technology is moving fast. Companies that make or use this new tech are expected to do really well because everyone wants the latest and greatest gadgets and services. Then, there's a big push for cleaner, greener energy. As more people and governments want to protect our planet, companies that work on making energy without polluting are getting a lot of attention. This means they could be a good choice for investors looking to grow their money, but it's not all smooth sailing. Some sectors might find things tough. For example, companies that stick with old ways of making energy, like coal or oil, might not do so well because people are moving away from these sources. Jim Cramer, a big name in stock market advice, thinks tech, green energy, and companies that understand what consumers want are the ones to watch. He also warns that not every company will do well in these changing times, so picking the right ones is key. So, when we look at stocks in 2024, keeping an eye on these big trends can help us guess which companies are going to grow and which might not. Key themes for 2024. Let's break down the key themes for 2024, making it simple to grasp what's likely to shape the market. The Magnificent Seven stocks. Think of these like the superheroes of the stock world for 2024. They're the big players everyone's watching. Will they keep soaring, or are some due for a fall? We're keeping an eye out to see which ones will lead the way and which might stumble. Election year. Dynamics. With the presidential election around the corner, the market could get a big shakeup. Elections can change rules that affect businesses big and small. Some policies might make the market jump with joy, while others could cause a bit of worry. We're on the lookout for how this big event might stir things up. Innovations in healthcare. There's exciting stuff happening with GLP-1 drugs. These are treatments that could change the game for diseases like diabetes and obesity. Companies leading the charge in this area are definitely worth watching. Their breakthroughs could not only help lots of people, but also become a big deal in the stock market. China's economic outlook. China's a giant on the world stage, but it's facing some challenges. What happens there can send ripples across the globe, affecting everything from small gadgets to big machines. We're curious to see how China's economy will fare and what it means for the rest of us. Mergers and acquisitions, M&A. Imagine companies getting married. That's what M&A is like. Some big names might join forces, creating powerhouse businesses. This can shake up industries and create new opportunities for investors. We expect more company weddings in 2024 and are watching who's getting hitched. Misreading the yield curve. It's like trying to predict the weather. The yield curve helps investors guess the economic forecast. Lately, predictions have been a bit off, making it tricky to plan ahead. We're keeping an eye on this to better understand what the future might hold for the market. Stocks to watch in 2024. Technology sector. In the tech world, keep your eyes on companies making waves with new gadgets and internet services. For example, companies that are all in on cloud computing or creating the next big smartphone feature are getting a lot of buzz. They've been doing really well lately because everyone wants the latest tech to stay connected and work smarter. For 2024, these tech giants are expected to keep growing, especially those leading the charge in innovation. But remember, tech moves fast and today's leader could quickly fall behind if they're not careful. Healthcare and biotech. Healthcare and biotech are booming with new discoveries and treatments. Companies working on ways to treat diseases better or use technology to keep us healthier are in the spotlight. They've made some amazing progress recently, and with more breakthroughs on the horizon, their stock could soar. But investing in biotech can be risky because a lot depends on research results and getting approval from health authorities. Green energy. Sustainability is the future, and green energy companies are at the forefront. Those focusing on solar power, wind energy, or electric vehicles are growing fast as more people and governments want cleaner energy options. These companies have seen a steady rise in interest, and with the world pushing for greener solutions, they're expected to grow even more. However, the green energy market is competitive, and companies need to keep innovating to stay ahead. Consumer goods. Finally, let's talk about consumer goods, the everyday products we all use. Companies that are quick to adapt to what people want and change their products to match new trends are doing well. Whether it's eco-friendly packaging or healthier food options, these companies are listening to consumers. And it's paying off. As we head into 2024, those that keep up with consumer demands will likely see continued success. But in a crowded market, standing out is key, and not every company will manage to do that. And there you have it, a straightforward peek into the themes that could define the stock market in 2024. From the superheroes of stocks to the big shifts elections might bring, the health sector's leaps, China's economic journey, the buzz around mergers, and the puzzle of yield curves, it's set to be an exciting year. As we navigate these waters, remember, staying informed and adaptable is key. Keep an eye on these themes, and let's grab the opportunities they might offer. Thanks for joining me on this exploration. Until next time, stay savvy and keep investing wisely.